Hey yo, what's the deal, family? Right now we in Detroit and it's snowing, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Darius Beard, and I've been investing in real estate for about 5 years now. I started with buy and hold, got into fix and flip, then wholesaling. Now I'm getting back into the buy and hold opportunities with more multifamily, and that's what you see behind me on my right side, right? This is a multifamily, 4-unit, 2-bedroom, 1 bath that we're gonna do a complete renovation over, right? Now let's take a quick tour. All right, family, so right now we're on the first floor. Each unit is identical, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. The layout is exactly the same. There's actually 2 units on each side, 2 units on the right, 2 units on the left, and there's 2 units at the bottom and 2 units at the top. When we purchased this place, it had all the old plaster, so we demoed everything because we knew we was gonna have to do electrical over, we knew we was gonna have to do the plumbing over, we knew we was gonna have to do HVAC, so that's all the mechanicals, right? Now I'm gonna just take y'all upstairs where it's more light. I can give y'all a better view of what we've already demoed. Let's roll. All right, so we at the unit that's on the top floor right now. I would consider this to be the dining room. You see everything is completely down to the studs because we're gonna replace all the mechanicals. Now, I guess this would be considered the living room that we're in right now. Our goal is to actually, the walkway we just passed through, our goal is to take that archway down and make this one big room. Now I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. This is the bathroom here. It's been completely gutted. Closet, laundry chute, bedroom, right? There's another bedroom in the back. Right now we're standing in the kitchen. Although it's pretty small, this is only a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We're gonna make sure this space is really functional. Our rehab budget should not exceed $150,000, and our long-term exit strategy is a buy and hold, right? Because we know once we completely renovate this property, we can cash for a couple $1,000s every month. Again, if you're looking for mentorship, I wanna give y'all, each and every one of y'all, the opportunity to reach out to me for mentorship. Feel free to reach out to me at my social media platforms at Mr. Revere, Mr.Revere, or reach out to me via email at investor2.0@gmail.com.